Hi, I'm Mohammad Zaid Ikhlas, one of the three co-founders of Medan. Medan is basically a sports tech startup, a platform which empowers the local sportsmen. We provide 360 sports services like booking sports venues, finding teams and players to play against and with. And we believe that it can be a stepping stone for anyone who wants to play sports at the highest level.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Wasif and I'm the second co-founder of Medan, and I handle the technology stuff of Medan. By technology stack I mean I handle front-end development, back-end development and mobile application development, all stuff like that.
The idea actually came from the problem itself. The problem is that अगर आप sports खेलने निकलते हैं so the access to sports venues is very difficult and it's a very tedious process, and we're trying to solve that problem through our platform. And जहाँ तक social element की बात है, social media के element की बात है, we believe in brand loyalty, and अराउंड दैट हमने अपने जो जितनी भी ब्रांडिंग है उसको रखा है, और जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत कंटेंट हमने निकाला है वो उसी को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए किया.
So basically we are developing a mobile application. It is a platform for players. From there they can book venues, find availability of grounds, and they can also find a player from there. And we also have a web portal for that, and iOS application, Android application for that. Basically इतने startups हैं नहीं sports related, but it is different because we are providing up venues availability issues. We're handling that, and we're also handling the players availability issues, opponent players availability issues, and our main focus is to nurture the local talent of Pakistan.
So we're three co-founders. All of us are graduates of software engineering from Beacon House National University. And what really makes us gel is that we are really transparent amongst us.
कुछ भी बात कर लेते हैं एक दूसरे से.
Yeah, यानी कि we know each other's problems, anxieties, happiness, sadness. We share all of that. So I think that's a very important aspect for any team, and we're really happy that we have that gel. I think down the line, if I talk about Medan, it'll have a huge impact on the sports community, and it will change the way we access to sports.
And it will have an impact on the sports player and as well as the sports community.
इवन जो स्पोर्ट्स वेन्यूज़ हैं उनको भी हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से बहुत एक्सपोजर और विजिबिलिटी मिलेगी, और इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर एवरीवन इन दिस इंडस्ट्री.
We're basically changing the perspective of people of thinking. Like they do booking by going to their venues. For now, they will book from our portal.
I think that so far we've found great people to support us. We are incubated at ID92, and there are a lot of people who support us, back us up in times of challenges. But the other thing is, I'd like to add that no startup or business should rely on any incubator or accelerator solely. It's all about the team who's executing the idea. That's the main thing. I think it's about making people believe that this can happen, because there will always be naysayers, and but it's all about challenging yourself and keep motivating each other to go ahead.
And also educating the people to come up with the application and use them rather than manually going and pay them.
So we are one of the startups in the pioneer batch of Innovation District 92, and the journey so far has been great. The people here are very supportive, and they are very empathetic towards our idea, our team, our emotions, and
we're having a great mentors here.
Yeah.
So
yeah, learning from their mistakes and experiences is very valuable. Yes, as far as entrepreneurs, we would like to see more startups coming in diverse industries. For example, sports is a place where not many startups have come in, and there are a lot of other areas as well which need solutions, and businesses like ours to have an impact and provide solution to the problems.
And I would suggest to startups that go and talk to customers, like their customers. They really need to talk to their customers, unless they're making up and a thing which is very innovative.